Hello Facebook ads people. You know that I have I went straight to the subject. Hi.
Hi.
So you know that I have a very big problem with all the people that they are just talking about theory without explaining why. Okay, so a lot of times we hear people, and I have done another separate video about frequency, but we hear a lot of times people talking about frequency 3 or 4 that is bad and stuff. And in theory and based on what Facebook says is bad, but I would like to show you one account just so that we can be clear, you know, because with examples it's better to understand what I'm talking about. So in theory, anyone can go and say that 3 or 4 frequency is bad. In theory, I can go and say that I don't care if I reach to 8, 9 or 10 frequency if ROAS is good. Let's watch in an actual account what is happening. So here we are having a bad frequency over here, as we can see 10, 6 point, and this is small I guess. And we can see that in the cold traffic ads we are having 1.58 frequency. So this is, by the way, worldwide retargeting at the bottom of funnel, imagine. The problem here is this, that the return on ad spend that we are getting, it's actually very good. So what's the point of actually watching the frequency over here? Because I'm testing this for the past 2 months and I'm actually decreasing the budget to decrease the frequency, but the ROAS is actually increasing. So now I'm going to do the opposite, and I'm doing actually the opposite. I'm increasing the budget because this company wants 2 ROAS. What's the point of me getting 7.67 ROAS when I can scale this a little bit? I'm not saying to scale it to $100, but scaling it to 50, 60. As long as they are getting 3 ROAS on their retargeting, it's fine. Even if they go to 12 or 13 frequency. If I see that the results are starting to drop in terms of return on ad spend, I'm going to drop. What I'm trying to say here is that you should watch more on your return on ad spend instead of the frequency, just because you have seen a video that is talking about 3 or 4 frequency that you need to have, or if you have something more than that, it's going to be the end of the world. No, it's not going to be the end of the world. And the truth is that it's not happening here, because this one started with $60. I'm decreasing because the owner has seen one of these videos and he was worried about it. It was on 13 or 14 and now it's on 10. But I can see that the return on ad spend has also increased. Okay, so it's not like the frequency dropped, but also the return on ad spend has dropped. And when I'm going to increase it, I know that the return on ad spend is going to drop a little bit, but still I'm within my KPIs. There is no point for me to worry. Although here is another discussion that I need to make with the owner, that we need to do more cold traffic ads, especially for the worldwide, because apparently we have very good retargeting for the worldwide and we need to do more cold traffic ads in order for us to be able to fuel our retargeting more. This is all I had to say about this subject. I like to give you examples when I have the opportunity in several accounts. And don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, read my book or check my free course. And until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.